Hey guys, my name is Sheena. Today's video is gonna be November Ipsy Bag unbagging. Let's see what's the theme for this month. Okay, so the theme for this month of November 2018 is Happy Friendsgiving. So this is it, and then they want you to go to social media to share your bag, yada yada yada. So let's get right into the bag because I know you guys want to know how the bag looks like. Okay, this is the bag. Isn't this bag so cute? It looks very expensive. Like something like this I've seen in Nordstrom. What is it? The Express store. Stuff like this goes like $50 at the stores, and I'm really shocked that they gave us this, and it's very like leathery hearts. You know, I shop around, so I know that this bag goes for like about $50 if you were to look for it at Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Macy's. You know, the prices are pretty expensive, but that's the kind of style it is. So anyways, enough chatting and let's see what's in this bag. Okay, digging. Okay, so the first thing I see is PURLISSE Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. It is oil-free, moisturizing, natural look coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So this don't make sense, but I'm reading exactly what it said. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I'm not reading what it says, but what it says don't make sense. Okay, number one is oil free, it's moisturizing, and it's supposed to give a matte natural look coverage. Look, I know it don't make sense. I don't know. It says oil free, natural look for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So basically this is like a BB cream for sensitive skin. Yada yada, but the wording is wrong. The wording on this packaging doesn't make sense whatsoever, because I am definitely tongue-tied on this, and that's about it. Okay, so the benefits of this BB cream is antioxidant, moisturized with SPF 30. It has goji berry. It brightens skin. Jasmine improves skin texture. It softens even skin tones. It hydrates the skin, and it helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark spot, dullness, and other signs of aging. Okay, so what shade is this? Okay, this is the shade medium. Now I'm gonna open it right now. This is it. This is how the foundation looks like. Shade Medium by PURLISSE. It's a glowing BB cream that's supposed to give like a medium coverage, but at the same time a natural look. Like they should have said it like that, but the wording doesn't make sense like when I read it. Like, okay, let's apply this. It smells good. It has like a perfume scent of this foundation. Put a little bit more. Let's see what else is in this bag for this month of November Ipsy. Okay, so the next thing I see is is, okay, I'm going to the bottom. I have CIATÉ London setting powder, extraordinary translucent powder. Look how tiny is this. This is by CIATÉ London. Then we open it. It's like this. It's a translucent powder. So I'm gonna apply some now. Take a little bit. Oh my god, this have plastic. Okay guys, I am having problems taking this plastic off the setting powders. So I definitely want to test this out, guys, for you, because I want to know. I know you guys want to know if this setting powder definitely like conceal the concealer, like sets everything in. But look at this. There's a plastic in here, but it's not coming out. And I'm trying to take this plastic part in here, but it's not working. Okay, sorry to disappoint you guys, but I can't open this thing. It is so difficult to open. So difficult to open. I don't know, because I'm trying to peel the plastic, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to skip that. I'm really sorry that I wanted to test this out so badly, but it's so hard. So let's see what else is inside this bag for this month of November. Okay, so the next thing I see is MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Illuminator. So this is by MAC Illuminator. It's a radiant yellow. It's a highlighter, natural radiance illuminating base. So it's a highlighter in the yellowy shade. So I'm gonna swatch it right now. This is it. So pretty, right? So these are like one of those liquid highlighter, which is great. So I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and take a little bit and like this. Okay, so the next thing I see in this bag is NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick. This is it. NYX. And this one is in the shade Volcano. So beautiful. I love this cranberry red color. So beautiful, and it's great for the fall now. It's very creamy as well too. Velvet matte. The last and final product that I have in this month bag from Ipsy is Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream by Botanic Farm. So this is a moisturizer by Botanic Farm with natural ingredients, and this is a Korean product. Let's open it. It's like this. Swatch a little bit. It's a moisturizer, so I'm putting it. It smells very good, but like as I'm taking it out, it feels like Vaseline. It's very Vaseline like. You can see. Look at this. Very Vaseline, not very like waxy like Vaseline does. And then I'm just like moisturizing, very creamy. It has the same formula of like a Vaseline, very waxy and whatnot. It smells good. It smells like shower gel. To be honest, it smells like shower gel. It smells good. I don't know how much it is, but it smells good. So, how to use this? Let's see. How to use. Take an Take an appropriate amount of this product and spread evenly on skin twice a day, in the morning and evening. So this is basically a moisturizer for your skin. I have sensitive skin, so I can't try out this product on my face because I don't want to break out. That's what happens when I try out a new product. I tend to break out. So I'm not going to test this out for you guys, but I tested it out on my hand and I love it. And I said that it has like a Vaseline feeling on it. It's very waxy, same way as what a Vaseline is. So I like it. I love it. Smells so good. It smells very showery and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all the products that I showed you in this month, November Ipsy bag. They were so much fun, and I'm really sorry that I didn't get a chance to show you guys the CIATÉ London illuminating setting powder. It just, the plastic was so difficult taking it off. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but this is CIATÉ London. It's an expensive, high-end quality brand, and I don't want that to put it in waste. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to take it out so I can use it, because pretty expensive. But anyways, I love everything. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.